or freezing?
Ryan.
Amber.
I have poor circulation.
Yes, I know. Get your... Oh, it's like cuddling with a butterball turkey.
But I just worked out. They should be warm.
No, they're not.
Oh, Ryan, I can't help it. You need
They're
to warm-
freezing. Why are you putting them on
You
me?
need to warm them up.
With what? Ah, I know. We have that iron right over here.
Ryan!
What?
Fine. I'll work on improving my circulation. You need to work on your cuddling skills. I tried to do a headstand for 3 days straight, and that did not work for me. So I went to Zenza.com and decided to get some Zenza arm sleeves and socks to help my circulation. As well as when I work out, it helps wick away the sweat from my body. So now, my circulation is much better. My circulation has improved so much more. When I work out and after I work out, my feet aren't cold, I have better circulation, and I just generally feel better. And when I work out, it wicks the sweat away from my body, and sweat is gross. Now Ryan doesn't have to avoid me anymore. Oh, Ryan, don't do that, don't do that.
I'm cuddling.
You are cold.
I'm cuddling.
What's wrong? Do you have poor circulation too? What is going on?
No.
You can't...
I can't balance on my head.
You're gonna have to get your own, Zenza. You're gonna have to get your own. Okay, I can't help you. I cannot help you. Ryan!
I just want to cuddle.
No, I don't want to cuddle this much.
cuddle.
I don't want to cuddle this much.